Today we're going to learn how to make money with a small YouTube channel. Hey there, I'm Tracey Rose, and on this channel we talk about motherhood, marketing and mindset so that you can build that dream business around your family. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and let's get started. Most people know how to make money through the YouTube ads, okay? So you get this amount of views, you get this much engagement, you get advertisers to spend money on your niche of your videos, and you make money. It's not that much money per view, but it can be a nice chunk of change. It could be a couple $100s a month up to $10,000 a month just from YouTube ads. This is not really where most people make their YouTube money though, and I want to show you what I did and what some other friends of mine have done to earn money from their YouTube channel. So let's go. So one way you can do this is through affiliate marketing, and I've done this myself, okay? So I have recommended different courses, I've recommended different communities that have like a ongoing monthly cost, and I get a commission every time I recommend that to someone. If you're a channel that does something like tech reviews, this is really cool because you can put in Amazon links, and when someone clicks on that and then they buy that thing, or even on Amazon, if someone doesn't buy the thing that you've recommended but then they go click on something else over a period of time, I think it's like 24 hours, you will get a commission from that too. Now, I'm not saying Amazon has the best affiliate commissions, but there are definitely other programs that I've recommended which were $100 per commission, or even a couple of $100 for courses that people were buying. So I would do videos on how to create videos, and then I would recommend them to a video course which I was an affiliate for, and I might earn $200 or $300 for recommending someone to that course when they bought it. Another thing you can do is get people to buy an ebook. Maybe you are an expert at a specific topic and you've put together an ebook on how to create videos or how to start a YouTube channel, or like on my old channel which was about birth and babies and Daisy, that's my cat meowing, trying to get out. No, you're staying in there because you'll run away. She can't climb fences very well, but she can hear my voice. I actually wrote a book about childbirth, and then I recommended that on my channel, and I had people buying that. I think I was selling it for about $20. Okay, so here's one thing you can actually make a lot of money out of, even if you have a very, very small channel, and that is your consulting services. So this is definitely something that I've done in the past. I recommend it now for you. If you are able to consult for people, if people can hire you for an hour or two, or you provide a service where you teach someone how to do something via Skype or Zoom or over the internet, it's pretty easy to be able to charge a premium for that. So that's a really good way to be able to do it from your channel. And the last thing I'm going to recommend is brand deals. Now, a lot of people think that you can't get a brand deal unless you're a really big channel, but that's actually not the case. A lot of brands are actually looking to partner with smaller channels, really people who have niched down and who know exactly who their target market are. That's why I always talk about really niching down and talking to your ideal client. Maybe a company might give you some product for free. They might even pay you to talk about their product, and then you could offer a coupon code to your audience when they click through and buy that product. So I hope this video helped you realize you can actually make money from a small channel, and perhaps some of the ways to do it. Don't be deterred just because you have a small channel. Continue to serve your audience well and be consistent. That is a massive, massive key. So I hope you liked this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you actually get notified every time we upload a new video every single week. Right, now I'm gonna go back to the meowing cat.